This is Varun Grover, mentor at Career Launcher. Today, I'm extremely proud to welcome Arunima Misra. Arunima is from New Delhi and she has studied in a prestigious DPS Delhi Public School, Mathura Road, and she scored an outstanding 98.4% marks in her CBSE board examinations. And when we are talking about the CUET examination, she repeated the same. She has scored exceedingly well even in her CUT examination, scoring 100 percentile in both political science and psychology. And when we are talking about other subjects as well, she has scored very well in those. Arunima has earned her place at one of the most coveted, you can say coveted destination, more specifically for humanities student. That is LSR, Lady Shri Ram College. Everyone wants to get over there. So, and very, very importantly for BA honors in political science. So, Arunima, a very warm welcome to you and heartiest congratulations to you and to your family.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, Arunima, tell me one thing, 100 percentile in political science and psychology. So, tell us, आपने अपना approach कैसे किया ये CUET journey को? How did you manage both board preparation as well as CUET simultaneously?
Yes, sir. So, since the syllabus for boards and CUET is pretty much the same, मतलब psychology का और pol science का, तो I decided to do both things side by side. Like I was preparing for MCQs जो boards में भी आते हैं and CUET तो है ही, it is MCQ based. So I did a lot of that, like lot of mocks, which helped me for boards and CUET. And then I very importantly मैंने अपनी सारी classes regularly attend करी, school में भी and obviously CL की भी, and I think that really helps because consistency से ही you can score well, I think. So that both the mocks for boards जो CBSE ने रिलीज करे mocks वो भी बहुत हेल्पफुल थे, जो
Very good.
उन्होंने हमें सैम्पल पेपर्स दिए थे. They really helped us to understand because a bit of the pattern always changes every year. So it is good to do sample papers and mocks, and most is that you are consistent and that you really listen in class. I think that is what really helped me.
I can vouch for two things, Arunima, that you have attended all the classes. For me, yes, I can tell, yes, and you were very attentive also all the time participating in the class, whatever opinion you were having about geopolitical discussions and others, you were very participative. Very good. So now tell me one more thing. Once your board examination were behind you, once it got over, then what are the tweaks that you made in your preparation, more specifically for CUET? Like जब आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन ओवर हो गए तो जो वो एक स्पेसिफिक महीना आता है फॉर वन दैट मंथ ओनली, आपने क्या चेंजेस करे थे उसके लिए, मोर स्पेसिफिकली फॉर CUET ओनली?
So my board exams, my last exam was on 30th of March. So I had exactly a month, pura April, I had to prepare for CUET only. So I was doing at least 3 mocks every day because हमें paper भी consecutively 3 exams 3 hours में देने होते हैं. So I used to attempt my mocks like that only. That 3 hours में I was doing 3 mocks. And all the revision sessions I was doing, and I went through all the documents that our teachers were sharing, the PPTs that we were being shared. उससे भी काफ़ी मेरी हेल्प हुई. And I think the main difference between CUET and boards was कि CUET में the boxes and all these, especially for history, the timelines and all these things in the NCRT, CUET में a lot of questions come from there. So I was just constantly reading the NCRT as many times as I could. And I think उससे काफ़ी हेल्प हुई, मतलब जितनी बार उसे रीड करते हैं उतना वो it gets registered. So that was kind of what I did. Mocks and reading the book and the PPTs. They also helped, especially exam के like एक हफ्ता पहले when I didn't have time to read the entire book. I was going through the PPTs of all the chapter so that I could remember like details like dates or any specific name of a person. ह्यूमैनिटीज़ में तो आई थिंक ये बहुत ज़रूरी था बिकॉज हमारे एग्ज़ाम
True,
में भी इससे काफ़ी कुछ क्वेश्चंस आए थे.
true. Okay, so now you've spoken about mocks also. So questions related to that as well. Now, when we're talking about Arunima Career Launcher, so how did Career Launchers coaching, the mock test that we have provided, how did that contributed to your preparation? कोई उसने बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस आपके प्रिपरेशन में प्ले किया? करियर लॉन्चर की क्या रोल था आपकी पूरी सीवीटी जर्नी में?
I think career launcher the best role in my CVT journey was that it made sure that I was consistent because we were having classes 3 times a week, and on Saturdays and Sundays we had English and GAT. So it made sure that I was doing studying every week. And one more thing that really happened because of career launcher is that I got all the resources. तो मुझे like people who didn't have a coaching उनको mocks जैसे ढूंढने पड़ रहे थे या फिर questions for CUET previous papers उन्हें ढूंढने पड़ रहे थे. I'm very grateful because I got all of that on my portal, so I was able to practice all that. And thankfully I had good teachers as well jinko I was constantly texting asking questions also, so that also really helped. And I think career launcher, one more thing was that in boards also we had exams like 80 marks exams and 40 marks exams. उससे भी काफ़ी हेल्प हुई because along with school exams I was giving exams from home also. So the more exams you give the easier it is to write answers. And so that also you don't have to मतलब खुद से फिर आपको practice question बनाने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी ही नहीं because along with school and career launcher you have such a huge question bank at your disposal. तो फिर I think that really helped.
Thank you. Very detailed and good answer, Arunima. Okay, now more specifically talking about one subject, that is GAT. Okay, you have appeared for GAT, you had scored 98.1 percentile in that. So how did you approach the GAT alongside with your domain subjects?
GAT, I don't have math or anything, so I will be very honest. It was a little difficult for me because a few of the concepts were not very मतलब easy नहीं थे समझने में. So I was very attentive in class. Our teacher, Vaishali ma'am, she was a lot of help. She would explain the same question multiple times also, so that helped. And all the books that we were given from CL for practice, they were also very helpful because usme the solutions were also given at the back. So in case you were not able to understand the question, you could go through the solution. So I attended my GAT classes every week, and I also attempted the question banks that were provided in the books. I think that is enough, especially if you don't have maths, then you should attend your classes regularly.
Thank you. Okay, tell me one thing, every topper, when we are talking about, okay, you are a topper, you have achieved this success, पर ऐसा कोई आपके प्रिपरेशन में टाइम आया था when you were feeling low, जब आपको लग रहा था कि अब नहीं हो रहा, कोई लो पॉइंट ऐसे आया था? एंड अगर आया था, देन हाउ डिड यू मैनेज दैट? हाउ डिड यू पुल योरसेल्फ बैक?
I think I was very busy in studying, so I didn't really feel a low point. But my exam got postponed because of there was a festival, so my
Yeah.
exam got postponed to the 7th of June, which was the last date. And even in that, I got the second slot, like 3 baje se 5 baje. So I was feeling very low then that I have been studying for so long and now it is again postponed. But I just like I think I have to credit my father for this because he really, he would crack jokes or something and he would just tell me that, you have studied so much, there's no need to worry whether you have to give the paper tomorrow or on 7th. And also I write a lot, so I just wrote, like I would journal or I would write poetry or something. I think that helps you to really release your negative emotions. I think it's good to ask for help, from your friends or family every now and then. They will pull you out of your slump.
All the very, very best for you for your future endeavor. Enjoy your time in the university and that also course which you wanted to get into, that is be a political science. All the very best, Arunima.
Thank you. Thank you.